As I stepped out of the Norwich train station, the city charm immediately captivated me. Norwich, a city with a population of around 140,000, is known for its rich history and vibrant culture. My journey began with a stroll along the picturesque River Wensum. Later, I embarked on the heart of Norwich Walk, a path that forms the shape of a heart through the city. This scenic route offers a wonderful way to experience the essence of Norwich, connecting many of its historical and cultural landmarks. The riverside walk is serene, with the water reflecting the clear sky above. The River Wensum, which flows through the heart of Norwich, has been a crucial part of the city's history, facilitating trade and transportation since Roman times. In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks, said John Moyer, and I felt that deeply as I absorbed the beauty around me. Roaming the streets of Norwich, I felt the vibrant pulse of the city. Quaint shops and friendly locals made for a delightful experience. I craved a bite to eat from a local vendor, the perfect way to recharge before continuing my exploration. I made my way back to the train station to catch a train for Cromer. Reflecting on the day, I felt grateful for the opportunity to explore such a beautiful and historically rich city. To travel is to live, said Hans Christian Andersen, and the Norwich made me feel truly alive.